So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. It looks like the stylist is going to do a haircut that perfectly frames her face. Wow, this is like the perfect bob style. So much body and movement. Her hair looks absolutely amazing. I love the fact that he took the time to do the bangs to really perfectly frame out the face. This is absolutely astonishing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have a hair change from Wes Does Hair. He's added an undercut to the style. Now he's mixing in some color. And bam! Wow! Oh, this is such a chic, short style. Absolutely love it. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this gorgeous Pixie bob style. I love the color on this. Beautiful. And she does have that very popular asymmetrical shape. Next up, looks like we have another bob haircut. Wow. So she ended up going blonde with this haircut change as well. Beautiful. And then we move on to someone who has a shoulder length hair. Stylist mixes up some color. the hair into a bob. Very nice. Fresh center part down the middle. She looks gorgeous. Stunning cut and color combination. And then we have a mini bob haircut transformation. Followed by a French bob from Westa's Hair. And the French girl style bob is very popular this year. We're seeing it all over TikTok. Very nice. And it does feature a nice, kind of messy texture to it. Typically it has bangs in the front. Very nice. Love this on her. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let us know which look was your favorite. Hit that subscribe button, and of course we will see you in the next video.